It's May 9th. I'm taking this out to the chickens. The forecast is sleet. In like 5 days, it's supposed to be 79 degrees. And the forecast is sleet. Oh my gosh. I don't know that I can face it today. This is crazy. So I'm heading out to let the chickens out of the coop run and into the kennel. And normally I would have the portable run attached as well. But I'm thinking today I'm not going to do that, at least not till this crazy sleet stops. You know, and sleet, I guess, I mean, it's technically snow, right? Because look at the ground over there is turning white. But it is very, very wet snow. You hear it? So it's like a combination of snow and rain. And the ladies are in there going, what the heck is this garbage? It's been so nice, and now this. Well, that's what our part of the world does. Normally, like I said, I would just have this open, but the sleet will actually get them very wet, and I don't want sick chickens. They're not even excited. I'm like, all right, there you go. There you are, ladies. Yeah, this is pretty crazy, isn't it? Yeah, good morning. Ow. Ow. PK, why? I haven't worn these gloves in quite a while. I haven't needed to. Yep. Well, here we are, ladies. Now, the sleet is supposed to stop at some point. And when that happens, of course, I will let them out or put the portable run up. You see that terracotta? Oh, God. Wow. Every morning they had the most ginormous chicken poos. That little bowl over there. Oh, everyone's going to poo on film. My goodness. Every morning they let a ginormous poop out. Now, why did you attack her before they lay an egg? I think maybe it's because of how they are. You know, they're sleeping on the perch all night. Maybe it's how their body is, in that position. But anyway, that bowl over there is what I put the crushed chicken shells in. And yesterday, it wasn't full. I don't fill it, but it was. The whole bottom was full, and now it's empty. It's empty. So what I do, let me tell you what I do with the chicken shells. I dry them. I bring them out here, usually around the noon hour, whenever I come out the second time. So this is the first time. I'll come out a second time with their fermented feed, and that's when I bring them the shells. A couple of hours before they go to bed is when they eat all of those shells within those 2 hours. So obviously they know when they need them. So what are you doing, Trinity? Yeah, first light was a long time ago. And you're just up on this perch. What are you doing? Usually you're down there in that condo. Let me see. You got any owies or something? You forgotten how to jump down? What's going on with you? Well, I don't know what the heck she's doing. This is actually kind of weird. It's very rare that one of them will still be up on a perch when it is clearly daytime, and egg laying time and eating time. She has this on to identify her as Trinity and not Parkour Chick. And that's more for a quick, what am I trying to say? If they're in here on the perch at night, I can't tell who's who. And then also for Michael or anyone else who needs to identify them, I know it's Trinity because of the red on her back. Oh, you're so silly. Come on now. What's wrong with you? Yeah. But that's just a quick way of knowing, oh, it's Trinity.
Good morning. I had to come out early this morning, so I was able to witness these three in their condos. You about to lay an egg, sweetie? That is Parkour Chick. Oh, she just laid the egg. Good job, sweetie. Parkour Chick, aka PK, just laid her egg. Now she's messing with it. Probably going to get it into position so she can sit on it for a while. She gets upset if I try to touch her. Not upset, but see? She's just warning me. So far, she's never pecked at me. You just don't want to be touched, huh? No, you're fine. Hello. Spitfire. Parkour Chick. Trinity. Are you done, Trinity? Are you done? She puffed up a little bit. I know you're done. Are you gonna go out? There's treats. Hi. They're out here eating the cabbage and the spaghetti squash. They're getting all of the seeds before the others. Here is Miss Cloud about to go into the coop. I don't think she's laid an egg yet. And there are 3 chickens in the coop, 1 in each condo. You saw that. I don't know if that means she's about to lay, if she already laid, or if she's in pain. It strikes me as if she's in pain. She's just gonna lay this egg. You're done. Get out. You're probably done. What? Well, come on in. Come on in and kick PK out.